with high-quality materials and is designed to withstand heavy use and harsh environmental conditions. The device's rugged design and durable construction make it a reliable option for long-term monitoring. The gas detector is also easy to set up and use. The device includes a user manual and quick start guide to help users get started, and the device's intuitive interface makes it easy to customize settings and access data. In terms of accuracy, the gas detector is highly reliable and provides accurate readings of gas concentrations. The device uses advanced sensor technology to detect and measure gas concentrations, and its built-in calibration function ensures that the sensor remains accurate over time. Another advantage of this gas detector is its portability. The device is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around and use in different environments. This makes it a popular option for businesses and individuals who need to monitor air quality in multiple locations. One potential drawback of this gas detector is its limited battery life. While the device's battery life is sufficient for most applications, users may need to recharge or replace the battery more frequently if they are using the device for long-term monitoring. Another important factor to consider when selecting a gas detector is its compatibility with other devices and systems. The gas detector can be connected to a range of other devices and systems, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. This allows users to monitor gas concentrations remotely and receive real-time alerts and notifications. The gas detector also includes a range of safety features to help protect users and the surrounding environment. These features include automatic shutoff and alarm functions, which activate when gas concentrations reach dangerous levels. The device's audible and visual alarms provide an additional layer of safety, alerting users to potential hazards even in noisy or low-light environments. In addition, the gas detector is designed to be easy to clean and maintain. The device's sensor can be easily removed and cleaned, and the device's rugged construction ensures that it can withstand frequent use and exposure to harsh environmental conditions. One potential area for improvement with this gas detector is its sensitivity to interference from other gases and environmental factors. While the device is designed to minimize interference and provide accurate readings, users may need to take additional steps to ensure that the readings are not affected by other factors. Another important consideration when evaluating a gas detector is its ease of integration with existing systems and workflows. The gas detector can be easily integrated with existing monitoring and control systems, allowing users to streamline their workflows and automate their monitoring processes. The gas detector also includes a range of features to help users manage and analyze their data. These features include real-time data logging, which allows users to record and analyze gas concentration data over time, and customizable alarms and notifications, which can be set up to alert users when gas concentrations reach certain levels. One of the standout features of this gas detector is its versatility in measuring different types of gases. The device can measure a wide range of gases, including carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and VOx, making it a suitable option for a variety of applications. Another advantage of this gas detector is its affordability. The device is competitively priced compared to other gas detectors on the market, making it an accessible option for businesses and individuals with limited budgets.